I'm Maddie.
I'm Natalie.
And my poem is Love Poem to Ourselves.
Thank you all for coming. I'm 20 years old and trying most days to figure out what being a woman means.
Last night at my boyfriend's apartment, I caught his hand as it flew to my zipper, held it soft like an apology, whispered, I haven't shaved in a while.
Last night, I sang John Legend in the passenger seat while a boy sped on Lakeshore Drive one-handed, half-drunk bottle of Jack in the other. Last week, I cried like a baby in the familiar scoop of my mother's neck.
Last week, I sat in the park sketching figures and poems.
I've fallen in love once or twice with boys who like to stay out late and keep rolled joints in back pockets. He rubs my legs.
I notice my dry skin. He stares at me. I notice my bare face, undone hair. We curl into each other. I notice the folds in my stomach. His face is near mine, and I wonder if today my hair smells like shampoo or something burning. I've been scalding it straight 4, 5, 6 years now, and I don't want to, but I still do.
I spend most days procrastinating. I spend most nights alone.
I am most of the time restless. I can't keep still.
I sometimes go out in not enough clothing.
I sometimes feel not enough in my clothing. Inside me, I tell my body to stop hungering. I have more friends who keep food journals than I have fingers. I tell it, women are not supposed to hunger.
Inside me there is a cellar door, behind which I've pickled and jarred the eyeballs of every strange man to undress me with a glance.
Sometimes after eating too much, I go home, open to a page in one of my journals, imitate their lists, their promises to their stomachs.
Sometimes I'm dressing for the shower, I stand in front of the mirror and judge the symmetry of my breasts. I spend most days wanting to have like 4 babies. I spend most days wanting to read every book and poem I can get my hands on, to be informed about politics, to learn world history. I spend most days wanting to find a hiding place for the sex names and catcalls and compliments, and I'm trying to find God in the softest folds of my figure,
in the red that stains my sheets.
And I'm trying not to write so many love poems for boys I hardly know.
I'm trying to relearn how to speak.
I'm trying to birth a new language that has a word for what I am that isn't scared or lonely or not enough.
After the 7th, 8th, 9th time, a boy told me he liked me because I was pretty. I didn't wear makeup for over a year, stopped trying to be looked at, started trying to be heard.
The doctor tells me I may not be able to have children, and for once I stop thinking about stretch marks. I'm learning that a woman is the fuzz of hair beneath each arm,
is the fleshy skin that bulges above denim waistband.
A woman isn't the soft, submissive, deer in headlights sensitive thing they tell us we should be. A woman is someone who rides shotgun with the window down and sings at the top of her lungs.
Who sits in the center of a busy park, sketching figures and poems, hair down, sprawled out. A woman is someone who isn't afraid to write a love poem to herself.